Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to remove an Upstart loan from your credit report if needed. Now, if you believe that there's an error with how Upstart loan appears on your credit report, follow these steps to easily correct it. Now, the first is to identify the issue. So you want to check your credit report from, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You can get free copies at annualcreditreport.com. So you want to look for incorrect balances or missed payments or duplicate loan entries. And next, you can dispute the error with the credit bureau. So file a dispute directly with the credit bureau that reported the incorrect information, and provide supporting documents such as payment records or loan statements to back that up. And next, you can contact Upstart for resolution. So if the error originates from Upstart, then you want to reach out to their customer support and request a correction letter if they confirm the mistake. Also, you're going to allow time for updates. So credit bureaus typically take 30 to 45 days to investigate disputes. So you can check back to ensure that the error is resolved or corrected. That's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.